Shouts out to Gutta. He's in the building. Thank y'all for coming back. LATalkLive.com. We are keeping it real with the cousins and Gutta.
Right.
He's in the building. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Keep coming forward with that yellow mic.
Thank you.
I know you want to sit back, chill, you know.
Yeah, but we gotta hear that.
We gotta hear
Oh, it's fine. Can you hear me now?
We can
Oh,
hear you.
yeah.
Loud and clear. All right.
And ladies, he got a nice smile.
AKA Mrs. Smiley in the building.
Yeah,
Nice
there
teeth.
you go.
Yeah, right?
I like nice teeth. Our last guest had nice teeth too.
Happy. In the building.
Shout out to that breed, man. That's a good person right there, man.
Definitely. She got dope chemistry. So what's up? Tell us about Gutta, Jeremy Mack.
Gutta, Jeremy Mack. I'm from Watts, California.
What's
upcoming artist, you know what I mean? I'm new to this rapping. I've been rapping for a year. You know, I've been acting all my life. You know, so I've just not gotten into. Wow, that's a caller.
You can't even get into your whole list.
Right, man.
Hello,
Hello, caller.
Please state your name, where you calling from.
Hello.
You on? All right.
Okay.
Metro.
That's
That's that
Are we
Metro.
talking to Gutta or Jeremy?
Right. Yeah. Right now, who is? Yeah.
If you want to talk to Gutta, ask for him. But if you want to talk to Jeremy, he's here too.
I was just about to.
I want to talk to Gutta.
Yeah. Gutta seems fun.
That'll work. All right. Okay. Gutta. Is it Gutta or Gutter?
Gutta.
Okay, so
Gutta.
can I ask why they call you that?
Yeah.
I'm from Watts, California. You know what I mean? That's like the slums, you know, of California, as I would say. And the streets gave me that name. A little
streets?
background. Yeah.
How so?
Formal gang member.
Are you still a gangbanger?
He said former.
He
said former.
But I mean, like, do you have like any?
Inactive.
Okay.
I'm a CEO now.
I like
That
that.
part. That part.
I like that.
Like that.
So you're new to the whole music, the music game, the whole.
How'd you go from
Right.
street gang member
I
to?
have 3 kids that I like truly love. You know that I want to see grow up and do the right thing, and I care. That's
Right.
another thing.
I'm glad you
And-
care. And on this
Oh,
note, we
yeah.
got a caller
We
for
have
you.
another
And
call
they
again.
care too.
Oh man.
Call on the line. 26 name. Where you calling from?
Calling from Long Beach, California.
LBC.
Shots out.
Thank you for calling. What's your name, book?
I'm Big Black.
Hey, Big Black.
Are you black?
What's happening?
Hey,
We
I'm
good.
doing Shout out my boy Gutta.
Alright,
Gutta in
alright.
the building.
We hear you. Be right here.
You want to talk to him?
Yeah,
I'm looking out, killer man. What's going on, man? Long Beach in the building.
Killer.
Look, we
Killer name. Gutta. All
Your
this.
little rapper thing.
I'm excited.
What you say?
He said he see you doing.
Yeah,
the
you
rapping
know,
thing.
from Long Beach, but right now I'm in Wyoming working in the oil refinery though.
Alright, get that in,
You
man.
have to get that paper.
Shout out Wyoming.
You got money.
You know what I'm talking about. You married.
Shout out.
You married, baby.
You getting it in. You might be the only black in Wyoming right now. You getting it in.
Hey, ain't nobody black in Wyoming but me and my goons.
Yeah, I already know.
Shots out.
Well, thanks for calling and supporting Gutta.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
To everybody at the oil
Yeah,
farmery.
man, stay doing your thing, man. Yeah, stay sucker free, man.
Off top, appreciate it. You already know.
Okay.
Hey, bring me the date. You want to call
He
her?
said, Brittany, when you come back from Wyoming, hit up Brittany for a date.
We're down at the oil mine.
got you.
Okay.
I love you.
Have a good night. So, what's the Addicted to Ink? Tell me about that.
Basically, what that is it's a tattoo entertainment / movement, and it's we represent positivity. We trying to show the world that just because we tatted, we're not bad people.
Okay.
You know,
Right.
and we should be treated equally with everyone.
Professionally.
You know, basically, you know, we do community picnics for the kids. We give back to Skid Row every Christmas.
That's what's up.
We donated 5,000 to Haiti when that happened down there.
That's
So,
awesome.
now, so basically, we looking into hopefully flying down there to, where they got Sandy at and helping clean up or
Hurricanes.
whatever it is we can do.
My parents.
That's
What's happening, man?
Much love to your parents.
We need people like that out there.
Right.
Yeah.
I need people like me. us tattoo folks, we do care. We're not just bad people. You know, we got hearts too.
So I know, I actually talked to you on Facebook before I even knew you were coming in, and I was like, oh, your tattoos seem like they have a story behind it. I mean, you want to share a little of the
Can you take your shirt off?
I was just.
Oh yeah, that's
If you take
You gonna take your shirt off?
Oh, here we go. Here we go. My man getting his LL on up in here.
Tune in right now.
Keeping it real.
we keep it in here, right, with the cousins, right?
Can we start from the left nipple to the right nipple?
Oh my God, you are so ready.
I'm alright.
Do you even know how many you have, first of all?
No, I don't. I don't know how many I have.
4 p.m. What's 4 p.m.?
4 p.m. That's JPM, JDL Prince Mac, my son.
Oh, okay. Son, okay.
So the first tattoo was my dad. That's how it all came about when he passed away. That was my first tat. So that was my key to success also,
Alright,
What's up?
Next.
Right.
They just gonna pick you
Yeah, they can pick you apart, dog.
Bruce.
Bruce is my best friend. He passed away.
Okay.
Got to, keep his memory living on.
Flawless?
Flawless. Me.
Oh.
Yeah. Shout out Broke Pooh.
Man.
Popeye.
Can we get the back shot?
Oh no, y'all can't get that, man. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Look, I've been getting tatted for a while, right?
How you gonna get
How my
tatted
boy
when you
was
can't
doing.
get the back?
Let me tell y'all what it was. I decided that I want to spend thousands on my back. I want to do it the right way, and I haven't came across a good tat artist that I felt was good enough to do my back yet. So I'm taking my
Can
time.
you turn
So your
around?
back
for
is
the
My
camera?
back is dry, man.
We have a caller. We
I
have
have nothing on my. I have nothing on my back.
Oh,
We have a
while we
caller.
figure out what's on his back,
Right.
caller, please state your name and where it's calling from.
There go my back right there.
This
Man.
guy, the John is
They got my back, so there go my back.
Damn.
Alright, man, he sold you.
They got my back.
Got Cali on his back. Caller, hello, you say what?
They
You
drop
got code?
Metro.
I want to say the rest for that. but no.
Caller.
Shout
one other
out.
call.
Y'all is calling in real nice.
Caller, hello, you say what?
What up? A2i, Michigan.
Alright. Shout out to
A2i
Michigan.
Shouts out.
Dan, I see you, man. Appreciate y'all out there, man.
Hell yeah, brother.
Was good.
You got a question?
Is this something you want to ask,
Thank you.
Gutta?
That's your part.
All right.
Well, we
You gonna pick up that line too? Caller on the line, please.
Out of
State your name,
town
where you
popping,
calling
though.
from.
That's out of town call.
This is Dan Wagner from Westland, Michigan.
Shouts out to Michigan.
Damn, what's
Shouts
up
out
with
to
Michigan?
Michigan. What's up,
Y'all
Dan?
Shout out to Michigan,
you guys
man.
are pretty late.
We get it in.
What y'all doing?
They
Y'all
got some
functioning?
people in Flint.
What's up? I can't hear you hardly. I'm trying to
And
shout
30s
out
go
my
for
CEO,
6.
Gutta.
Oh, well, shout
That's
out.
what's up. Dan, I see you, man. Appreciate y'all. I love y'all out there in Michigan, man. Keep up the good work, man.
You
I
got
love
a
y'all.
question? You got a question for Gutta that you might want to ask that we may not know to ask that the world may need to know?
Gotta blown up these phone lines.
Nah, I really don't even got a question I need to ask. I'm just calling to show him some love, give him a shout out. You know what I'm saying? He did a lot
That's
for
what's
me.
up.
Young
That's
black
what's
man
up,
doing his
dog.
thing.
What's up?
He's such a
Much
good
appreciated.
You've been in this game
guy. I just
for
want
a
to touch
year.
your face.
Did you just say you want to touch his
Wow, that was new.
Oh, we sorry.
Yo, man.
Thank you for calling. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
I just got lost.
That's the redhead.
All day.
So let's get into. So do you have any mixtapes, websites?
Actually, I have Facebook and I have Instagram. I'm not too much of a Twitter fan, you know. I'm not racist towards Twitter, but I just never understood it. You know, I never got into the Twitter world. So.
Me and you both.
Yeah.
Big, you
Shout
don't
out to
get
my
into
boy.
nothing.
You gotta jump in
I
there.
be on, yeah.
Catch me on
I told you
Instagram.
already. Jump
I have Instagram though.
This
You guys can
whole
Instagram
show
me
is
at
about
BRG_Gutta. BRG_GUTTA. And my Facebook is Jeremy Mack. JEREMYMACK.
What's the BRE?
BRG, that's Blood Rich Gang. That's something I got coming soon. That's like a lot of my older homies, and that's where the money is. And then I have A2i, so you know I have
Can I
cash
give
money.
us some money too?
Yeah, we got you.
We
What's
got
up? We got you. How much you need?
I need like $20 right now.
20 is nothing.
All right.
Let me get
I hear that.
Okay,
Let me
we
give
got
you
you.
100.
Give me a $100.
We
I'll
gonna
take that.
like donation.
On top.
Yeah,
You got EBT too in the building.
Hey, EBT.
Oh,
Yeah,
Somebody
but-
need some food?
Man, blowing up these lines, boy.
First one of you got an EBT.
I knew that was gonna. I knew someone was gonna press it. I knew someone was gonna press it.
A2i, what?
A2i turned right there.
Yo, what's the deal, man? Who was that? Who was that?
This D-Wags, baby, Billy Wags.
D-Wags, what's the deal, man? A2i that, man. What's going on, killer?
What's the deal, man? You know we out here doing the thing, representing that A2i to the fullest with the candid life, baby.
On top, man. On top, man. I love y'all, man. I love y'all, man.
What city you calling from?
Hey, we calling from Detroit, Michigan, baby.
That's what's up, man.
Right. Michigan in the building.
Hey, man, go see my people in Flint, man. Shouts out Saginaw Street.
You already know, man. Holler at me on the Facebook, man. You know I got you, man. Let me know where to go. I'll go holler at whoever, baby.
Got you.
On top. Love you, bro. A2i that, man.
What's up, man? I'm gonna let y'all get back to your night. I just wanted to shout you out, man. Call you up, show you some support, man.
That's what's up.
A2i that, man.
Detroit in the building.
A2i that, Detroit.
Detroit in the building. We love y'all.
Okay, hang up.
No.
We got another caller, dude.
One more caller.
Hello, caller. You say what? Yo, what's up, caller?
You
I just
tap?
want to give a shout out to A2i CEO Gudda.
All right, man.
You didn't know?
Hey, man.
Where you calling from?
We missed that memo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Where you
I didn't know he
from?
was coming on. I could have told you.
You could have told
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
us. All right. Well, now we know.
Oh, she gone. She got scared.
So, what's next? What's next for you?
That phone call. That's what's next for.
One more caller. We gotta talk.
And
Okay.
that's it. Okay, can
We're
we
gonna
get
have to
him
talk
up?
together for a second, please.
Right.
LA Talk Live is blowing up.
So what's
Mr.
next?
Mr. Good.
What's next for me?
Yeah.
Hopefully, this music. I'm praying every night and day for it. You know.
So.
The first couple of songs I've done, I did like 5 to 6 songs, and I think that's where my heart is after doing that. So that's what I want to pursue right now.
All right.
What type of songs are they?
I have Gutta music.
What's the good? Is
Of
that like a
course.
ratchet music?
Oh, no, it's not ratchet. No, I don't want to do that.
So what's
You know,
the
it's this
Gutta?
ratchet thing.
What's Gutta music?
I would say something like, it's not like him, but in that area, Plies.
Okay.
Somewhere
Okay,
in
I
that
like
area. I know
Plies.
people familiar with him.
yeah.
Plies is hot.
There we go. Shout out Plies.
If you listen to Plies.
Yeah. Okay.
So something like that in
I
that
love
area.
you,
I
Plies.
want to keep it to where I want to show the world who I am. I don't want to get on the mic and lie. So.
Do you ever feel like people out here in this world are perpetrating?
Yes,
Just
I
to
do.
get-
I feel like all the real ones are dead or got life in prison. So I got to keep
Wow.
it real where I'm at.
Right.
And how you do that?
Stay to myself, take care of my kids, and do me.
That's what you gotta do.
Well, you can't stay to yourself with all this support.
Well, you know, I reach out to my people. You know, I got A2i all over the world. I got Atlanta, Italy, Germany, Alaska, Boston, Detroit. I'm almost worldwide, so it's like I show my love to them, and I love them. I'm glad they support me and what I do. I support them back at what I can do. I'm only one person, but as far as staying sucker free, like my boy said, that's just what I'm trying to do. First sign, I'm gone.
Sucker free
First sign, I'm
message.
gone.
All day.
I love it.
That is awesome. Right. I don't have no tattoo.
Do you rap about your street life or your past street life or your past gang member-ish days?
I try
In
to
your
keep it away from the gang member-ish stuff.
Right.
But that's where
you
you
show the kids that you can do better, regardless
Okay.
of where you're from.
So
Well,
what
not even
message?
kids, but the message is you can.
So when you're rapping though, you're pulling from true like stories.
True
or?
stories, things I've been through, things people I know have been through, struggle, basically to let people know you can.
Right.
You know,
That's what's up, man.
Can you have some
freestyle?
of your music? Yeah.
I don't have any with me,
Right now.
but you guys can find it on
Turn what's
YouTube
up.
under A2i CEO Gutta, and a lot of my music will pop up. Shout out to my boy Don, my boy Don, man. This is mixtape right here.
Don's
Go
kinda
copy.
mean.
That's my boy right there.
Right. Yeah.
Don't
Definitely.
act like
not
I'm supposed to
mean.
know
That's my
what.
boy.
Aw.
Mixtapes in store. That's my boy.
Oh, life
A2i artists.
Shouts out.
Don. Shouts out to the Don. Shouts out to Half Breed again, man.
For sure.
Hey, for real.
That's a
In
good
the
person
building.
right there, man.
In
Connect.
the building.
Definitely.
That's a hopeful. I hope she end up joining the team.
Hey, this is a network team. You can join
The
her
tattoo.
team.
Nah, I just
You can
hope.
join her team.
We
I
always
just hope she
can
ties
join each other
shoes
team.
up.
True. We may
make dreams
We
come true.
make all kind of connections.
Yeah, we do.
Top.
This is a
make sure
networking platform. We knew to put y'all together. We
That's
knew.
right. That's right.
Definitely.
We know how to do that.
We did.
Definitely.
You think he was here for a reason?
Yeah.
All day.
Okay.
All day.